you tired of figuring out what you're going to eat? Keep it simple. We have chicken thighs, ground turkey, and some fish. Today's protein is going to be fish. Once you weigh out your portions, make sure you have a scale to make it happen. If you want to know what we do at the house, we do 6 ounces of greens. If you want to do 8, that's up to you. Higher achiever, even better. More fiber, the better. We also do 4 ounces of carbs all the time. We used to do 4 ounces of protein, but we want to amp up our protein intake, so now we're doing 5 ounces. Well, this is where the magic happens. If you don't have one, just make sure that you have the top 3 things that you need in a meal, which is greens, protein, and carbs. Keep it simple. Turning on the scale, make sure it's in ounces. Sometimes fish can be super light, so if you want to put 6 ounces, that's up to you. Aren't you tired of feeling full and bloated, or sometimes you just don't know what to eat? If you don't mind eating the same thing, this is going to be your go-to meal every single time. Not only is it going to help you focus and dial in on your meals, healthier meals, you're going to be able to recover a little bit better, especially if you're trying to go towards health and wellness. So that's the goal. The goal is to pretty much elevate yourself. So not only are we elevating in our health, we're elevating in our finances, because sometimes we'll overdo it. I mean, let's be for real. Sometimes we go a little bit over the board or over the red line, right? And I'm guilty of that. Every now and then on the weekends I'll splurge. But during the weekdays, you gotta be consistent. Consistency is key. So this is why we have this scale. Measure, weigh, track all of your progress. So do you want to know how I went from 190 pounds to 170 pounds? It's a bad boy right here. Get you one of these. Get you one of these. A story time as to why I also keep it simple, not only in my clothes, but I keep it simple with my food. So here's the story time. My mom always told me to keep it simple. Keep it simple means having the same colored shirt multiple times. So yes, I have about 3 or 5 of these. As far as jeans go, I have about maximum maybe 5 for the week. You know, sometimes you wake up and you go, what am I gonna wear today? And that was one of her things. She decided to get different colored shirts, collared shirts to be exact. She had different colored jeans for the week. She wore that for about 2 to 3 years. And one day somebody came up to her and said, hey, you know, I really love that collared shirt. And she's like, well, I've been wearing it for 3 years. And they go, what? No way. I see you every day. And that's to tell you that sometimes people don't pay attention. And it's not about what's outside. It's about what's in here. So that's all I have to say. That's the message for today. So here we have the broccoli steaming, the rice. We have a rice cooker to make things a little bit more easier and quicker. Now I am going to add a little bit of barbecue sauce onto the fish just to give it a little bit of flavor. And we're going to see how that goes. So right now, this is what the fridge looks like. Here's a great example of what one of our meal preps look like. So here's an idea. And you can also Google some of the ideas just so you can have something different every time. The best part about keeping it simple is that you're not overspending on different kinds of ingredients, food. And that's where, you know, sometimes we get excited. We have a lot of ideas. So again, if you don't mind eating the same thing, this is going to do it every time. You want to be cute with it? Bam, buttermilk ranch. Bam, add some ketchup. You know, get creative. Our neighbor made us a homemade salsa. You know what I'm saying? Do whatever you can to make your meal a little bit more fun for you to eat. And by fun, I mean a little bit more flavorful. It doesn't matter if you ate a gold steak. Doesn't matter if you ate this or that. What matters is that you have food in your system and that you're well nutritioned. That's what's key. That's what's key here. That's the goal, right? So if you eat one of these trays every day, you're gonna be full, no doubt about it. Especially if you're snacking in between like you should be. So forget the days that you're struggling thinking about what should I eat? How do I go about it? What do I buy? I recommend chicken thighs over chicken breast. I find that chicken breast can be pretty dry sometimes if you don't know how to make it. Guilty. So I opt in for chicken thighs instead. Gone are the days that you're stressing. I just gave you a life hack. You just got a life hack. And that's today's golden nugget. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's elevate together. Let's elevate. Like and comment. See you in the next one.